Come see Lyco Manufacturing at the upcoming WEFTEC show in Ernest North Memorial Convention Center in New Orleans, September 28th through the 30th, Hall H at booth 7553. For more than 46 years, Lyco Manufacturing has been the world leader in the food processing industry. We now have over 2,600 liquid-solid separation systems running in the food and beverage industry. Lyco's main focus and expertise is for liquid-solid separation equipment applications in the following industries: poultry, turkey, vegetable, fruit, red meat, pork, seafood, French fry, potato chip, wine, pet food, rendering, and breweries. Since 1994, Lyco has offered internally fed single and double drum screens, which are flow-through designs. Solids and liquids enter the in-feed flume and go into the drum. Solids are augered out while the liquids drain out the screen. Lyco offers 7 different sizes in diameter and length for handling 200 gallons per minute all the way up to 7,000 gallons per minute, depending on the opening size of the screen. These screens are ideal for total wastewater or fluming systems for vegetables, fruit, poultry slaughter, French fry, potato chip, pet food, and brewery plants. All Lyco screens are made from wedge wire, which is very efficient, self-cleaning, and has more open area per square inch, making it a preference over perforated drums. For beef and pork slaughter, harvest plants, pet food, and further processing meat plants, Lyco offers externally fed screens. These units are ideal for applications with a lot of hair, fat, oil, and greases, where an externally fed screen fits the application better than internally fed screens. Product and water are pumped through the head box, and the water goes through the screen and out the back drain. The solids cascade over the screen while the drum is turning, and a doctor blade helps remove the solids from the screen. In 2025, Lyco saved customers over 4.8 billion gallons of water with our water reuse systems, which are ideal for in-plant applications. We call this system Sanitary Zero Maintenance Screens, and they are offered in 3 sizes from 50 to 400 gallons per minute. Lyco's sealed drum screens are for rendering and wine applications for containing liquid and odors. In rendering applications, these screens are ideal after cookers for separating hot oil from cracks. Our agitation effectively turns over the product to allow for better oil separation. This design has been used in the wine industry for over 20 years because it contains all the liquid, and it's also the most sanitary separating screen on the market. Our sealed drums come with 2-way flip-top covers, which allow for easy access to the inside for cleaning and maintenance. Finally, Lyco offers side hill stationary screens, which are ideal for pumping applications for transporting products from point A to point B. We redesigned the system in 2015 so it pivots, making it more sanitary and easier to clean. If you'd like more information about any of Lyco's equipment, stop in and see us at our WEFTEC booth in New Orleans, or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com, or call our office at 920-623-4152 and ask for a sales representative.